everyone to my channel. If you are new here, please like and subscribe the Magnetic Aura with Arijita for the future many videos to come. So today's videos will be on weekly tarot card reading for everyone who will be watching this video in any point of time, because in the soul level there is no time, no space, there is all same. So if you watch in 3 or 4 years later also, this will connect to you in that point of time. So the soul card reading is all about, it talks up to you about your soul desire and also the mental body, emotional body and all layers within you that helping you to create your desire in your life. If you are facing any challenges, this reading also help you to find out or recognize that challenge in your life and also the way to heal that part, because when we heal something that is not necessary to us, we can create something better out of it. So let's start and stay tuned for weekly tarot card reading for everyone. So let me do the spread for all of you. What you all need to know right now for this week, your soul reading. So I'm calling your guardian angels and your whoever is watching right now, all the guardian angels are here. They will be guiding you with the thoughts or any kind of message right now that can be related to your life in any point of time you are watching. And also let's see what it reveals. Okay, so destiny is the card is I have received. It's 8 of Pentacles. This card telling you that to recognize your gifts and talent, and by practicing in your day-to-day life, regular practice make you mastery. So this is the card is actually remind us that work on something that you are good at, that you know from your heart that this is the thing I am good at. I am taking time because I am gathering experience right now, but throughout the repetitive practice you can grow, you can manifest anything you want to be. And your mind, in the mind it's telling, yes, there is thoughts that is fearful thoughts is there. It's like poverty consciousness. This cards tell about poverty consciousness. What is the meaning of poverty consciousness? There is some thoughts that create telling you that I'm not good enough. There is lot of struggle, how I can earn money, how my life will be going on. So that whatever the thoughts that is against the thought of abundance, that is poverty consciousness. This can be healed when you regular practice in your mind that yes, I am prosperous, I am abundant. Do this regularly for 21 days and see how life change. So this pattern is inside your head. Maybe it comes from the DNA. We see our parents, they have struggled. We see our colleagues, they are struggling. Because of that, this kind of thoughts or belief, we are taking it from the outside and we think that this is the truth. But the truth is, I have born here, there are abundant resource in here in Mother Earth. The problem is we don't know how to distribute it. We don't know how to flow the energy properly. The money should flow like a river. So this card reminds us, when we change our thought process about money, about abundance, we'll get the opportunity so that we can work on that and repetitive practice on that. We can create a beautiful world in our life. So this week is for you. Recognize whatever the thoughts that is actually against you. If you see some struggle in your life, find out which thought you carry inside you. Maybe it came from your ancestors or from the surrounding, and change that thought form with the positive thoughts that you want to be. It's this is not a bad thing to think that I'm easily earning, right? Say it repeatedly so that the situation can come to you, right opportunity can come to you, that will help you to easily you can manifest your desire in your life. your emotion. Your emotion is telling you are abundant. From inside you know that you are abundant. You just have to recognize that. And this card also telling, if you want to know more about these cards, you can see the previous videos. I already have explained the meaning of the Empress. This is the card of true abundance, and where the money, it's a meaning of wealth. The meaning of wealth is when you sit in your home without any struggle, money flow to you. Without any work also, money flow to you. So that only can happen when you truly understand the law behind money. How law of finance, law of karma. So these are the law that actually work behind the process of money and abundance. So this is the way, work on your thoughts, work on your emotion, understand which of the area you need to heal, you need to change, and you move ahead. And this is the physical reality. When you do that, this is the energy. It's telling me you know from your heart that you are born to do lot of things in earth, and you are going to recognize it. You are going to access that in your life. You are having a spiritual gifts within you. You have lots of vision. Work on those vision. Work, and also don't forget to practically use those things. If you have a belief that I can easily do things, work on it. Sometimes we feel that yes, I can draw, but I never draw it, right? So start with it. See what it goes in your life. Whatever you feel from your heart, work on that. And repeatedly when you work on that, that will give you the mastery, and in life you will experience true abundance. So this is today's message for all of you. Whenever you are watching, be abundant. Recognize your true potential. Thank you for watching, and please do share to all of other people. And if you want to do one-to-one reading about soul reading, you can write below. There is a link. You can book me and we can do a one-to-one soul reading. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you next week.